Attentively devote to the professional research and development. Persist in unique development and creation. Sanyi, a company develops firmly in its creative way. Qingdao Sanyi Plastics Machinery Company Ltd, a leading manufacturer in developing and manufacturing PVC machine, was founded in Qingdao in 2006. After 10 years hard working, our company has developed into a mature supplier for developing, manufacturing, and selling plastics machinery. Continuous wonders PVC foam board extrusion line. Technology brings advantages, and talent promotes the development. In 2007, our company developed PVC foam board extrusion line, which is the most successful line in China at that time, and it still works smoothly now. Since then, Sanyi Plastic Machinery Company has kept its professional way towards developing PVC foam board extrusion line. After 10 years development, our company successfully developed the 14th generation line 580/173 with a capacity of 500 to 600 kilograms per hour. This line is a creation in China. Also, we developed the unique PVC foam board extrusion line 92/188 with a capacity of 800 kilograms per hour. The creation of 92/188 fills the big of a big capacity conical wind screw PVC foam board extrusion line in China and abroad. Because of it, all the equipment around the world can reach the capacity of 800 kilograms per hour. No doubt, it is a revolution of this sort of machinery. In 2016, the SPC floor extrusion line was developed, and WPC PVC one-step foamed flooring extrusion line and WPC foamed SPC flooring co-extrusion line were developed in March 2017. We've successfully patented several of our lines. In April 2015, Mr. Reber from the leading plastic enterprise, Krauss Maffei, visited our company to discuss the cooperation affairs. Mr. Reber stressed that Sanyi is their only cooperator in China for such a kind of production line. After 2 years negotiation, we've reached the initial cooperation intention. Until today, in China, about 1/3 PVC crusting and foaming producing lines are from Sanyi, and they are even exported to overseas countries: Romania, Germany, Russia, Uganda, Kuwait, Iran, Iraq, Egypt, India, Pakistan, Tajikistan, Thailand, Vietnam, Myanmar, Indonesia, Korea, Malaysia, and other regions. This brings high reputation to Sanyi both at home and abroad. The chairman, Zhou Yuliang, holds a number of positions in various associations and special committees. Now, he is Managing Director in China Plastics Processing Industry Association, Executive Vice President in PVC Crusting and Foaming Special Committees, Deputy Secretary in China Foamwork and Scaffold Association, Vice President in China Plastics Foamwork Development Alliance, Social Director in Association of Veteran Scientists and Technicians of Tsinghua University. Sanyi is picked as the leading company for its industry regulation by State Bureau of Light Industry and the Statistical Data Acquisition Unit for Foamwork and Scaffold Industry. In May 2016, our company was chosen as a research and development base for Qingdao University of Science and Technology and was awarded the High-Tech Enterprise and Qingdao Famous trademark. Moreover, we've successfully undertaken and assisted in various forms for several associations. To practice the Belt and Road, Sanyi is devoted to training talent teams in market management and production development. Also, Sanyi plays important roles in different associations and organizations at home and abroad, advocating the circular economy by spreading the thoughts of environmental protection and wood saving in different conferences. Sanyi perfectly illustrates its management idea. Sanyi produces qualified machinery. In return, the machinery contributes to the perfect Sanyi. Sanyi has and will keep making contributions to China Plastics Processing Industry Association and the environmental building materials development. The hardships we've been through and the struggle we've made in the last 10 years will never be forgotten. 10 years accumulation contributes to the confidence of all the Sanyi people. Sanyi, just like a rising sun, now is on the way of continuing and creating its technology fruition and stepping into the list of the first-rate international brand in the field of plastic machinery. SPC floor extrusion line, including mixing system, extruder system, calendar with online print film and wear layer laminate device, haul-off device, shear cutter, automatic stacker robot. Mixing system. Firstly, the material needs to be put into the feeding machine according to the formula ratio. And the material goes inside mixer through the material loading machine. The material is mixed at a high speed through the friction heating principle, and the temperature is raised to 115 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. The material is evenly stirred, and the water gas is removed during mixing. After reaching the use requirements, it will be automatically discharged into the cold mixer, preventing plasticization and decomposition in advance, then rapidly cooled to about 45 degrees Celsius, and then discharged to the silo, and the discharged material will enter the twin-screw feeding system through the screw feeder at a constant speed. Then the twin-screw feeding system evenly transports the material to the extrusion system, and after heating and plasticizing, temperature control is the most critical link in the process. The heating and heat dissipating output is controlled by the temperature control module, and the high-precision K-type thermocouple temperature measurement to complete temperature control. After the material is heated to melt, it is rotated by the screw to generate a strong pressure and then extruded into the mold. The product specifications are determined by the size of the mold. Calendar with online print film and wear layer laminate device. After the embryo emerges, it enters the calendar. Firstly, it is pressed by first and second mirror rollers to ensure uniform thickness. Then the print film and the wear layer are bonded online by its own temperature and roller heating. Then embossing and an automatic correction system is adopted to ensure that the unwinding line is not offset, thereby greatly improving the quality. Haul-off device. Installed with Germany imported Siemens Top Series inverter speed control, it can perfectly match the production line speed. Sheet is conveyed by the haul-off to the shearing machine for cutting. The cutting length is sent by the sensor switch, which is sensitive and accurate in length control. Automatic stacker robot. The finished sheet after cutting is completed by the robot. Electric cabinet system. The main motor and inverter adopt German imported Siemens Top G120 series. AC contactor, breaker, including large breaker, relay and switch, German import, all adopt German authentic Siemens. If German Siemens can supply, we will import from Germany. If they cannot supply, we will buy from Siemens China. If Siemens China cannot supply, we will use other international famous brand. The temperature meter is from Japan, Omron. The relays, the travel switch, etc. all use France Schneider.